Imagine getting a tiny mosquito bite that could transmit a parasite capable of causing severe illness and even death. This disease is known as malaria and remains a major public health concern worldwide. Malaria is a zoonotic parasitic disease caused by Plasmodium parasite and transmitted by mosquitoes. Despite advances in prevention and treatment, malaria continues to affect millions of people each year. But how exactly does malaria spread? Let's take a closer look at its transmission.
Malaria is transmitted through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito feeds on a person infected with Plasmodium parasite, it ingests the parasite along with the blood. These parasites develop inside the mosquito and are later transmitted to another person during a subsequent blood meal. Once inside the human body, the parasites travel to the liver where they multiply before infecting red blood cells and causing disease. Malaria can also be spread through blood transfusions, organ transplant, or from mother to child during pregnancy.
To understand more about the malaria, we first need to identify its host and the reservoir. The female Anopheles mosquito is the definitive host, where the sexual stage of the Plasmodium parasite occurs. Humans are intermediate hosts, allowing the parasite to multiply in the liver and the red blood cell. In most of the malaria cases, infected humans are also act as the main reservoir host. However, for the Plasmodium connolisi, macaque monkey in the Southeast Asia serve as the natural reservoir, helping maintaining the parasite in the environment.
For clinical signs, the intermediate host, which is humans or other vertebrates, commonly shows fever, headache, anemia, weakness, splenomegaly, and in severe cases, jaundice or cerebral malaria due to red blood cell destruction by Plasmodium parasite. Diagnosis is mainly through GIMSA stained blood smears, rapid diagnostic tests, and polymerase chain reaction. In the definitive host, the female Anopheles mosquito vector, clinical signs are usually absent, but infection can be diagnosed by detecting oocysts in the midgut or sporozoites in the salivary gland using microscopy or molecular techniques. These methods are important for surveillance and malaria control.
Treatment of malaria involves usage of anti-malarial drugs such as artemisinin-based combination therapies or ACTs to eliminate parasite from the body. However, early diagnosis and prompt treatment are important to prevent severe complications. Prevention of malaria focuses on avoiding mosquito bites by sleeping under insecticide-treated bed nets, using mosquito repellents, wearing protective clothing, and eliminating stagnant water where mosquito breed. The use of preventive anti-malarial medication are also recommended when visiting high-risk area.
Human, animal, and environmental health are all interconnected through One Health. Malaria demonstrates this connection in Plasmodium knowlesi malaria. One Health acts as a reservoir while mosquitoes spread the parasite. Therefore, controlling the malaria requires experts from different fields to work together. Through this collaboration, malaria can be better prevented, protecting both human and animal population.